this is how we all wanted to go out.
Definitely haven't seen this yet. Hell yeah.
Checking out the old CRX. We got our boy James over here. This thing's
Hi, my name's James.
this thing's pretty tight.
Yeah, this is my 88 ship box. CRX SI, GSR swap, fully built motor, pre-turbo, rebuilt trans. And yeah, we're going to get rid of 30 plus years of scratches and neglect on this fucking thing.
And then we're gonna attempt our first time at Bondo. So
Yeah, first time.
Mm-hmm.
Always a fun time. I'd like to come this way, sir. You can see some of the lovely, fine grooves and scratches and dents. So we're just gonna smoothen it out, get it prepped to wrap, and then we will wrap this piece of shit and make it look pretty.
That sounds like an idea. He said it's a fucking mess on the outside, and I see it. It's disgusting. But doesn't matter because we're sanding it. Because as you guys can see over here, it's been done before. So.
Oh yeah, feel free. Come to the other side. Let's show you where the real love is at. You know, some high quality work here.
Honda.
You know, something light, nothing major.
So what do we? So with this
bubblage.
situation, were we like, are we just chipping her off and then filling it, or just filling it and then just say?
That's a fantastic
Bye-bye.
question. Should we do it absolutely wrong or should we do it half right? I say we give it a couple love thuds. And,
I got a couple sledgehammers and stuff.
maybe a little bit of this bubbling over here. Typical shit. Smoothing that down.
Oh yeah, we gotta shave that shit down all the way down there. Okay. Hey, look at this man's shoes, bro. That's crazy. They look good.
Bricks. Got a bunch of this bullshit. Oh, we
Bricks?
don't need that.
Oh, bricks.
Yeah, see, I got that.
Solid kit. Baby.
Bullshit.
Okay.
More bullshit.
Got the activator.
Absolute bullshit. Should be in the cat.
Yeah.
Damn, that actually worked pretty fucking well. Rub your finger on that. Like, use your nail. It got smooth pretty quick. There's some thin ass paint, boy.
Look who in the right mind puts spray foam. Oh my god, bending everything. Yeah, so how do you do this?
I'm on YouTube right now trying to figure that out.
Edge.
That's that good stuff, boy.
Yeah.
Hey guys, Quick Fixing here. We're gonna show you how to use Bondo and so much. Oh yeah, that's fucking magical.
So you have to mix your Bondo before use, I think.
Bro, I'm in my element right now.
Hit that shit, boy.
Oh, get a whiff of that shit, fella.
Get that little huff in there.
I guess we'll just stir it a little bit, right?
Yeah, we'll work with like this right now.
Oh yeah.
2%, dude. It's about 2.
Remember, no air bubbles. We don't want any pinholes. You know, I guess I'm doing it. I really don't know what I'm doing here. Like, it looks right.
Good shit. Yeah.
死んでみる
Boys, I think the Bondo's getting to us. We're seeing stars. But we're going to finish this top part.
Bro, that looks like fucking cat puke.
It does, dude. It looks like a hairball. So we're using the fiberglass on the roof.
Yeah.
He wants it for the strength. Apparently that's going to help, but we'll see.
I don't know. I watched a YouTube video and I just bought whatever was in the description. True story. My God, that looks like shit. That's that macaroni and cheese.
All right, before that hardens, let's try to get another batch in for this other side. It's so weird how this smears because like the fibers like kind of hang on to each other.
Yeah. Honestly, I feel like this is so much more easier to work with though. You know.
Daisy.
That's all I'm saying.
All right, guys, top's done, bumpers are done, doors are done, everything's mint.
The first time wasn't too bad. I mean, the fiberglass is definitely a little bit trickier to play with. Overall, I'd say we did a pretty decent job. We're gonna let this cure, let it harden up, and then probably in the next video we'll end up sanding that down, getting it proper, and then we'll move forward with something else with this vehicle.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Dominic, James, signing off MDP Auto. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. Make your dreams possible. Peace.
Yeah.